فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. Or like a rainstorm from the sky, rain or darkness, thunder and lightning. They thrust their fingers in their ears to keep out the stunning thunderclap of fear death, but Allah our encompasses the disbeliever. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning second example of munafiq. The scene that Allah has given here is as follows. They were in difficult journey, and in this journey there are scary things that happen. That is, climate is getting darker, and there is thunder and lightning, which is scary. This is describing journey that one takes into Islam, which is not gonna be easy. It is going to be full of difficulties and challenges. But munafiq are so scared of challenges. So as they pretend that those challenges are not their only, they pretend that they don't have a responsibility, so they stick their fingers in their ears. يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Lightning almost snatches away their sight. Whenever it flashes for them, they walk through it, and when darkness covers them, they stand still. And if Allah willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. Certainly Allah has power over all. In their hearts, they were unable to see the truth of Islam. It seemed as if someone had snatched away their sight. Every time it lights the way for them, they walk through it. But when darkness comes over them, they stand still, meaning because they are only feeling Islam and are not only believers, they follow the commandments only for some time. Whenever the Muslim won a battle, the hypocrites would appear to collect their share from the victory. But when Islam suffered the loss, they would revert to their disbelief. And if Allah willed, He would have taken away their hearing and their sight. Certainly Allah has power over all things. Had Allah willed, He would have taken away their hearing and their sight because of their wanting the truth after acknowledging. أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. Mankind, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, so that you may become al-muttaqeen, the pious. Allah mentioned His wondrous divinity and stated that He has favored His servants by bringing them to life after they didn't exist. Iman to the message of Quran is addressed to all. Benefiting from it depends on one's willingness and on God's succor in relation to that willingness.